The following message is being transmitted at the request of the San Diego Police Department. As of 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the San Diego Police Department witnessed weird white lights coming from Tijuana and the islands of Coronado just over the border of Mexico. The source of these lights are unknown at this time, but police and Mexican police are currently dealing with this situation. Stay tuned for more updates as they become available. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the San Diego Police Department. The source of the weird lights has been identified. The lights emitting from Tijuana have confirmed to be the Tijuana Lighthouse malfunctioning. The lights from the islands of Coronado have not been seen since 4:45 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Instead of white lights, the Tijuana Lighthouse now emits blood red lights. It is unknown why this phenomena is taking place, but the Tijuana police is currently investigating this situation. Stay tuned for more updates as they become available. The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Diego Police Department. All of West Grape Street is closed until further notice. At around 9:50 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the San Diego Police Department has found a blood trail leaking out from West Grape Street going east to 6th Avenue. The West Grape Street has been covered in blood, as well as parts of the 6th Avenue. All residents of San Diego are asked to remain away from West Grape Street and 6th Avenue. If you are currently on one of these streets, get inside a building as police is currently identifying the source of this blood. Police is setting up roadblocks on 6th Avenue from Laurel Street to Fur Street, and all of the West Grape Street is closed until further notice. Stay tuned to local radio as this situation develops. The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Diego Police Department. At 10:10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, police has found a note laying down on the crossing of 6th Avenue with Grape Street. The note said the following: "If you read this, they won't be saved, no matter what you try." The police is investigating this note. Although the blood has been cleared, all residents are asked to remain indoors until at least 11 a.m. this morning due to the threat of one of the EXE persons being here. Stay tuned to local radio as this situation develops. Civil danger for San Diego until further notice. The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Diego Police Department. At 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, police made the discovery of numerous residents murdered inside buildings next to 6th Avenue. The police is investigating this situation. As a precautions, All residents within San Diego are urged to shelter in place. To shelter in place, lock all windows and doors, close all fireplace tempers, turn off all heating and ventilation systems and turn off the lights. Do not let anyone enter your home. If you are outside, get inside as soon as possible. Stay tuned to local radio for more updates as they become available. The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Diego Police Department, in conjunction with the La Mesa Police Department. All clear. At 1:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, police has discovered the person laying dead inside La Mesa Square Shopping Center. The murderer of this person is an unknown person. This person is believed to have the same body style as Julia. All residents in San Diego can leave their shelters. Repeating, all clear. The person described to have murdered numerous civilians in San Diego has been murdered by an unknown person. This concludes all operations under the emergency alert system. The following message is transmitted at the request of the La Mesa Police Department. At 1:55 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, police made the discovery of a note laying outside of the San Diego Yoga Center. The note was covered in blood. After cleaning, the note told the following: "You may have killed him, but you won't kill me that easy." It is unknown who wrote the note, but all residents of La Mesa are asked to remain indoors and to lock all windows and doors. Police will try to find this person as soon as possible. Stay tuned for more updates as they become available. The following message is transmitted at the request of the La Mesa Police Department. All clear. At 2:20 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, police made the discovery of the person who has written the note at the San Diego Yoga Center has been killed by the same person as who murdered the person 20 minutes ago. The dead persons are both believed to be friends of Mario.exe. The person who murdered both persons has not been identified yet, but the description goes as follows. As police told earlier, the person described had the same body style as Julia. She is a white female, 5 feet 4 inches tall, has purple hair and dark blue eyes. She was last seen wearing a light blue t-shirt with a dark pink and white logo on it, black shorts, blue socks and blue shoes. If you see this person, try to talk with her as she is not showing hostility. Try to leak her name as police needs to identify this person. If you have information about her identity, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned to local radio for more updates as they become available. The following message is transmitted at the request of the La Mesa Police Department. The person who has killed the murderer in San Diego and the other person in La Mesa has been identified as 15-year-old Lacey. Although thought by civil authorities, Lacey has no contacts with Julia or Violet whatsoever, although she is confirmed to be the girlfriend of one of the three boys and lives in San Francisco, California. The reason why she killed these persons is unknown at this time. If you encounter this person, do not see her as a threat as she is unhostile. Thank you for your cooperation during this event. This concludes all operations under the emergency alert system.